After this radio station interview, I think we are gonna take over the radio and make it our own New Jones radio station. That's for sure.
I don't know what they're doing with the bass bomb. That I have a kind of a bad feeling about this. Behave yourself.
Extreme Dudesoni on.
Ja nyt tapahtuu jotain.
No me kaapattiin Kiss FM ja tästä tuli Kismaa ja Radio. Häpittä meidän omaa musiikkia soimaan.